So this is an unstretched spring with no energy in its elastic potential energy store. The spring constant K for this spring is 20 newtons per meter, and the unstretched spring is 5 centimeters in length. The spring is stretched to a final length of 10 centimeters. But we don't want to use the 10 centimeter number. We need to figure out the extension of the spring for E. So how do you calculate the extension E for the spring? Well, that's 10 centimeters, the final length after it being stretched, minus 5 centimeters, which is the initial length of the unstretched spring. So in this example, E equals 5 centimeters. E equals 5 centimeters. But we don't want to calculate the elastic potential energy using centimeters. We need to convert centimeters into meters. So the extension is needed in meters. So E equals 5 centimeters divided by 100. That will give you the answer for the extension in meters, which is 0.05 meters. So we've got the spring constant K, we've got the extension. We can now calculate the elastic potential energy stored in the spring. So E equals 0.5 times by K. K is 20 newtons per meter. So it's 0.5 times 20. Multiply this by 0.05 squared. Multiply this by 0.05 squared. So the elastic potential energy stored in this spring is 0.025 joules. 0.025 joules.